there's another question on the chat window. Says, thank you, Lord. Another question. I learned we say special bracha when we see monkeys and elephants because they are the people who built the Tower of Babel, punished by being transformed into animals. I wonder what is the measure for this transformation?
That's a good question. I remember learning that answer, but I would not remember this point. What was the measure for measure? So those are very strange animals. Very strange animals. I would not remember that. But some people, there were three. Some were killed. Right? There were three punishments. Some were killed for punishment. No, someone dispersed. Some people were transformed into monkey and elephants, and some were created became demons in the desert. And actually, some people say it's not only monkey and animals, and actually all this bird, and this is the only bird. So if you look at it, they look like humans, right? The birds usually have the eyes on the side of their head, but this like a human head, like eyes in the front of the head. So it's very interesting. So I mean, not everybody agree, but there is such opinion. I remember reading. So three kind of animals. But of course, there is a measure for measure. I would not remember at this point. But good question.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rabbi. No, I was just wondering in regards to this question of the elephants and the special animals.
Yes.
Do we make this blessing in order to help the soul that is trapped within this animal to elevate or something like that?
No. It's just acknowledgement Hashem's power, right? That His wisdom, that He created this animal. So that's very special animals. This monkey, and of course not all of the monkeys. Some of them were created, but some monkeys were before before the Tower of Babel. So it was like additional ones. Maybe some kind, some not 100% sure. But of course, monkeys were created before. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.